Security forces in northern India fired water cannons and used tear gas on protesting farmers on Thursday during a protest to condemn Prime Minister Narendra Modi's new farm legislation. Farmers have given a call for protest march to capital New Delhi to coincide with the Constitution Day celebrations against 3 new farm laws. 10 central trade unions also observed a nationwide general strike to protest against various policies of the central government.
Thousands of farmers from several North Indian states, particularly Punjab and Haryana, on Thursday began moving towards capital New Delhi as part of the Dilli Chalo protest called for November 26 and 27. Police used water cannons and tear gas shells to disperse protesting farmers as they tried to break through police barricades at Sadopur border in Ambala. Protesters also pushed police barricades over the edge of a bridge. Farmers have given a call for Dilli Chalo protest march to coincide with the Constitution Day celebrations against new farm laws.
और हम वैसे भी खेतों में जीरी लगाते हैं, खेतों में रहते हैं, कोई ऐसी परवाह नहीं है। पानी का क्या हो रहा है? पानी से कुछ नहीं होता। आगे जाएंगे दिल्ली तक जाएंगे, मोदी की जड़ें हिला देंगे एक बार खच्चर।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government has defended the bills approved by the parliament in September as reform measures that will help rid India's vast agriculture sector of antiquated laws and allow farmers to sell to institutional buyers and big retailers. Protesters fear that this could lead to the government not buying produce at guaranteed prices, thereby disrupting their timely payments.
सभी किसान भाई और बहनों को अनुरोध करना चाहता हूं कि सरकार पूरी तरह चर्चा के लिए तैयार है।
Meanwhile, security has also been heightened at the Delhi's borders with Gurugram and Faridabad to stop the farmers from entering into the national capital. Drone cameras have also been deployed at Delhi borders for security surveillance.